Birbal's exorbitant demand. The king saw Rajeshwar accompanied by Birbal, who greeted the king. "Hail your majesty, long live the king." King Roop Sen asked Rajeshwar, "Who is this man?" Rajeshwar told the king everything about Birbal. He then recommended that Birbal should be engaged without delay. The king, being a man of few words and many ideas, after hearing his chief, asked, "Birbal, what shall I give you for your daily expenditure?" Birbal replied, "I charge 100 gold coins per day." The king was shocked. He said, "It is too much. I cannot pay this much. Have you a big army with you for which you need so much? Go elsewhere for employment." The courtiers were also surprised to hear of such an irrational demand. Birbal replied, "I have no big army. I have a small family consisting of me, my wife, a son, and a daughter. I have no fifth relative." Birbal is employed. King Roop Sen gave a thought as to why Birbal was demanding so much money. He reflected that it must be for a reason, which would be revealed later if Birbal was asking for so much money. The king also felt that it would turn out to be in his own advantage if he gave Birbal so much money. So, with this idea in his mind, he agreed to employ Birbal. He called his treasurer and ordered, "Give Birbal 100 gold coins every day." Then he said to Birbal, "Join your duties from tomorrow. You will be my personal security guard. Collect your money at the end of the day, after you have finished your duty. But your end of the day would mean the break of dawn, as you will be on duty at night." Birbal agreed and left the court. The spies reveal Birbal's secret. Birbal came on duty the next day. He remained on guard all night. He kept a strict eye on the king at all times, whether he would be eating, sleeping, and so on. After finishing his duty, he would collect his money and leave. One day, the curious king ordered his spies to follow Birbal and find out what he did with the 100 gold coins every day. After a week, the spies came back to the king and reported, "Your Majesty, we followed Birbal and found some things which will shock you. He takes the 100 gold coins and out of them gives 25 gold coins to poor people. Another 25 coins he offers at the temple. Yet another 25 he gives in charity to the Brahmins. Now, out of the remaining 25 gold coins, he gives 10 to lepers and another 10 to orphans." The Wailing Woman. The spies continued. As for himself, Birbal keeps just 5 coins for the members of his family. The king was surprised at this revelation about Birbal, but he was very pleased with the information. One night, King Roop Sen heard a woman wailing in the neighboring cemetery. He ordered Birbal to find the reason. Birbal went to the cemetery to meet the woman. Unknown to him, the king followed him to observe his courage. Birbal saw the woman and asked her, "Who are you and why are you crying?" The woman replied, "I am Lady Luck. I have been displaced from my place by Saturn. Now Saturn is set to destroy King Roop Sen. This makes me much distressed, and this is the reason why I am wailing and crying." Birbal was shocked to hear this. He asked Lady Luck, "Is there any way in which the king can be saved from this tragedy?"
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.